Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे रोज़मर्रा बोलचाल में इस्तेमाल किए जाने वाले बुनियादी इंग्लिश के आसान फ़िक्रात। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है मुझसे बात करो। टॉक टू मी। टॉक टू मी। क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? मुझे ऐसे मत देखो। Don't look at me like this. Don't look at me like this. वो बहुत जिद्दी है। He is so stubborn. He is so stubborn. तुमने क्यों किया? Why did you do? Why did you do? और अगर आपने ये कहना हो कि तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया, तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे Why did you do that? Why did you do that? मुझे आपकी माफ़ी की ज़रूरत नहीं। I don't need your apology. I don't need your apology. मुझे आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत नहीं। I don't need your help. I don't need your help. कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. क्या वक्त हो रहा है? What time is it? What time is it? 10:30 हुए हैं। It is 10:30. It is 10:30. झूठे बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make lame excuses. Don't make lame excuses. इस बारे में कोई नहीं जानता। Nobody knows about it. Nobody knows about it. मुझे कुछ वक्त चाहिए। I need some time. I need some time. मुझे अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ। Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about yourself. मुझे कुछ काम करना है। I have to do some work. I have to do some work. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ। I am going home. I am going home. सब कैसा है? How is everything? How is everything? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? क्या तुम पागल हो गए हो? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? मुझे तुम्हारी हमदर्दी नहीं चाहिए। I don't need your sympathy. I don't need your sympathy. इसमें कितना वक्त लगेगा? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? इसमें आधा घंटा लगेगा। It will take half an hour. It will take half an hour. मुझे गलत मत समझो। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. मुझे बोलने दो। Let me speak. Let me speak. उन्हें खेलने दो। Let them play. Let them play. नीचे मत बैठो। Don't sit down. Don't sit down. मुझे मेरा काम करने दो. Let me do my work. Let me do my work. मुझे उसकी मदद करने दो. Let me help him. Let me help him. मुझे दिखाने दो. Let me show you. Let me show you. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and found this video helpful, then click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.